Sinura Wahalathanthri, and I'm here with my 25th video from the eShop web project development series. So in this video, we are going to talk about the programming part of the watchlist page. Now, what this watchlist means is that you can't afford to buy it, but you wish to buy it later. So you can keep it in stock and you can not notify it that if it's in stock or if it's out of stock. Now let's check what are the functions that are going to happen in my home page to the watchlist page. In my home page, I have given a function as in my watchlist button. So I will show you what happens when you click this heart shape in my watchlist page, my home page. Okay, so after I give that button, you all can see that the dark color heart became red color. So this means it is added to the watch list. So let's check if I add something else. So I will give this golden headphones to the watch list, and you all can see that it even changed to the red color. I will give this also. Now I will show you what happens when I go to my wish list anchor tag in my header.header. So you all can see that the products that I added over there in my home page, the products that I added over there is also there in this watchlist page. Okay, so this is the programming part that we are going to do over here. So now let's check what I have done in my back-end code. Okay, so from the beginning, I'm going to talk for the home.php. So in this home.php, as we talked in my previous videos, I have given a button called watchlist in my else. So I deleted from there and gave a new PHP script as watchlist rs, and for that I have given a database search as a select all from watchlist where the product ID is equal to the product data ID and the user email is equal to the session u. Then after that I have given the $watchlist num and the watchlist rs num row. Then I have given a if statement, and for that if I have given a $watchlist num is equals to 1, and I have closed the PHP script and opened it again, and in between of them I have given a button as called 12 btn outline light and an empty2 border and an on-click as add to watchlist and an echo as the product data ID. And for that I have given an icon as a I and a class as BIB, a heart field, and a text changer, and a FS5. And I have given an ID as heart, and while sending it, send the PHP script echo product data ID. So this is the view that we get when you click the product at the watchlist button. So if it comes to the else, the same thing happens, but the only thing what happens differently is what the icon is gonna be text dark. So now let's check what I have done in my script.js. So these are the codes that I have given for my function in my script.js. So what I have done over here is I have made my Ajax request from the beginning. Then for that I have told a r.send. So while to send it, I have sent it through the get method, and it should go to the add to watchlist process.php, and while sending it I have sent the ID is equal to the plus ID, and I have sent it through the Ajax method. So that's why I have put through. So if it goes to the false, that means I'm sending through Ajax. Then after that I have given the already state change. So if it goes to that page, I have given a person, you can tell it's a person who's watching, if it's gone or not. So I have given a onReady state change and an anonymous function for it, and an if block, and for that I have given the r.ready state is equals to 4. The t should be the r.response text, and the if should be working like the t is equals to removed. The document.getElement by id, the part plus id is .style.class name should be equals to the text doc, and if it comes, and after that I have given the window.location reload, and after that I have given the else if as the added, and after for that I have given the same thing but the text change and the window.location reload. Now let's talk about the add to watch list process. So what happens over here is I have given this PHP script, and for this I have given the session start and a require connection.php and a if is set and a $session u and the if is set $get. Okay, from that, if the $get comes with the ID, the $email should be working like the $session u email. Then for the PID, I have given the $get method ID. Then for that, I have given the watchlist RS. And for the watchlist RS, I have given these queries as select all from watchlist where the product ID is equals to PID and the user email is equals to the $email. Then I have given the num rows as the watchlist num. And if the watchlist num is equals to 1, the watchlist data should be watchlist RS fetched as a. Then after that, the list ID as the watchlist data ID and the database IOD, and delete all from watchlist, delete from watchlist where the ID is equals to the list ID, echo removed. So we will be talking about this removing part in my next video. So after that, what I have done is database IOD insert into watchlist the product ID and the user's email, and the value should be the PID and the $email, and the echo should come as added. Then after that, I have given, if it don't happen, this if set the $get method ID didn't come like that, else should come echo as oops, something went wrong. If this all don't happen, this else should work as echo, please log in first. So you can't go to this watch list because you haven't logged in. Now I will show you what I have done in my watchlist.php. So I will be talking about the validation parts in it. So for the beginning, I have given the if is set $session u. So that means if the user is there, only it will be shown. So if it don't work, it will be gone. It will be gone to the else as the please log in first. And after that, I told you about this page design in my previous video. So what I have done over here is I have given for my empty view a PHP script, and for the PHP script I have given a require.connection.php and a user as the session u email, and a watchlist watch RS as the select all from watchlist where the user email is equals to user. Then the num rows of the watchlist num. Then I have given that if the watchlist is equals to 0, that means if you haven't selected anything, the empty view should be shown. And if it goes to the else, the have products view should be there. And for that, I have given a PHP script for loop. And after that, I have told if this the $x is equal to 0, the $x is smaller than watch num, then I have given the $num is plus, then I have given the $watch data as the fetched as of from the $watch RS. Then in addition, I have given for my design in my images, I have given the image arrays, and for them I have given the image RS, image data, and for the image RS, as usual, that we did in the user profile and the product page in my home page. So we did the same thing as the select all from images where the product ID is equal to watch data product ID. Then after that, I have given the images data as the images RS fetched ASOC. Then for the image src, I have given the PHP script echo the image data code. And for the classes, we talked about them in my previous video. And when we go down, I have given the product RS and the product data. And for the product RS, what I have given is to search the select query as the select all from product, where the ID is equal to the watch data product ID. Then for the title, I have given the product data title. And for the color, I have given the product data color ID. Then for my that means for my color, I have given a CLRRS. So for that, I have given a database search as the select all from color, where the ID is equal to the product data color ID. Then I have fetched that data as the CLR data. And for the span of the color, I have given CLR data name. Then the same thing what I have done in my color, I have done for my condition also, but the name of the color I have changed to the condition. The same thing I have done for my span also as the condition data name. And for the price, you should not take it as from anywhere, but it's there in my product table. So for that, I have given the price. The quantity is also the same. I have taken it from the product table. So these are the codes that I have used for my validation part. So I told you that we are going to talk about this remove but anchor tag in my next video. So this is it that I have done for my have products view. So if it don't happen, I have given an else as please log in first. So this is it for this part. I hope you all understood it. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. So have a nice day and bye.